Hello humans, welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, we'll talk about how to make real money on the internet. So if you are interested in making real money online, then make sure you watch the video till the end from here on. However, if you are only interested in watching the review, then you can fast forward the video and watch the last 7 minutes of the video. So if you are interested in making money online, then you will find some links below. And also if you want to know what bonuses these are, because I will give you these 3 bonuses. So if you want to know what they are and how you can get them, then make sure you watch the full video, okay? So starting here below my video, you will find some links. The number one method, recommended method by me, which obviously I am doing currently right now, which you can see is YouTube. It's not hidden, okay? So you can see here it says get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So if you click on this link, click on that link right there, then you will come to this page here and scroll down, enter your name, email, and then you will get the instructions to your email. And you can watch this testimonial as well. You can see how this channel was monetized just in 2 weeks. Okay, it's a big deal getting YouTube channel monetized. That is in 2 weeks. It's unrealistic. Okay, so go and see this testimonial, and then you will get these results yourself if you follow the training. Okay, and it's almost guaranteed. I would say it's 99.9% guaranteed if you do exactly what you're told in the what you are told in this YouTube training. Okay, and you will get your channel monetized maximum within 4 weeks. Okay, so once you come to this page after that, okay, you will come to this page after that where it shows you Traffic Jarvis. That's the name of my program, YouTube program. Okay, and it's for serious people who want to make some income on YouTube, because YouTube gives you free traffic and multiple sources of income. So this is a full-blown YouTube course, 16 plus hours long. Okay, and number one source of income could be YouTube ad revenue for you, because when you are watching my video, you're watching some ads in this video as well, right? So when you see ads, YouTube pays me a little bit of money, okay? And that little bit of money could be this much, okay? So I have made all this money just by making these videos without selling. I did not sell anything and still made this kind of money, okay? Now let's scroll down. You can watch more testimonials here, and then let's talk about this here, because this is what I made by offering my consultation services one-to-one. Okay, so people will talk to me one-to-one. They will ask their questions related to whatever expertise I have. I have SEO expertise, affiliate marketing, YouTube. I have multiple expertise. Okay, so I have been making money on Stripe. You can see here. So that's something you can utilize if you have that skill. For example, you are some consultant yourself, you're some this immigration consultant, lawyer, you have some you are some professional, you can make a YouTube video and charge people for your time. Okay, and then I have some affiliate marketing income proofs here. You can see these are all affiliate income proofs. I am not showing you millions, because what matters is that you make money. Okay, if you are on zero, that means nothing works. But if you make your first $1, $10, that means it works, and then you can scale that up. Okay, so YouTube gives you free traffic. If you are really interested in making free money, then all you have to do is be comfortable in making YouTube video. I don't come on the camera. Just imagine this. This guy does not even come on the camera, still makes money, still gets sales. Let me show you here if I come back. Or rather, I'll show you this system first, because if you go below, then it will make sense to you. So it shows you get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 leads per day, and then you can email them any offer of your choice once every single day. So I had been using the system itself, and you can see the system had been making me this kind of reoccurring commission every month. Okay, reoccurring, never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending. It just doesn't stop. It will not make you rich. It will not make you like go boom boom, but you can see $5 here, $5 there. Okay, so if you see the date, recent times, 23rd of June, 23rd of June, so you see this is all recent money. It's not old screenshot, it's all recent. Okay, then some money here, some money is coming here, some money is coming here. So it all works as long you're willing to do the work. Okay, so if you want to make money online, seriously, YouTube is what you need. Okay, and then you can check out this 100 leads program. If you want to get into email marketing and get these leads, you can go and get it. And you can check out my Warrior Plus products. So if you come and click on this link, you can buy my own Warrior Plus products here. So this is the Shim AI. Right click and open, and it will give you awesome images, meaning you go and create the prompts using the software. Go and watch the demo. And once you follow the training, then you will be able to create images like these. Okay, so you can create images for your any offer. Okay, and then second link is about launch to profit AI. So if you are into affiliate marketing or any marketing, and go and watch the demo video first, because it will generate all the campaigns for you. Okay, all you have to do is tell the software a few keywords and it will generate the reviews, articles, email scripts, you name it, we have it. Go and watch the demo video. Okay, I think then we have bonuses, or we have one more thing, book one-to-one consultation. So if you want to speak with me one-to-one, then you click on that link, scroll down, and you can click on book now, make the payment. This will cost you $97 to speak to me for 40 minutes. Okay, so you go and make the payment for $97, and we can speak to you one-to-one audio call, and you can ask me any questions you have. Write down your questions, ask me, talk to me one-to-one for 40 minutes. Okay, so you make the payment, and then you email me your timing on this email address, that when do you want to speak. We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before making the payment. Okay, now let's discuss the bonuses. So bonus number one is free email autoresponder, because when you want to do email marketing, you need to have an email autoresponder. So you will get that. In a case tracking training, you will get free copy. This is 2 hours training. So this is what case tracking looks like. 2 hours, 9 minutes. What this does, it teaches you the same thing which I am doing or which others are doing. For example, if you want to make these review videos, you want to know how to find these software, how to find these products and everything, how to make the video, how to start a YouTube channel, all this is covered inside this 2 hours training. You will get that free if you buy from me. Okay, third is forex profit machine. So in case you are interested in learning about forex trading, this is a 11,000 words PDF guide. So you will get all these bonuses if you go and buy from me. Okay, and if you go and buy the product for which we're gonna do the review now, then you will get these bonuses automatically delivered. Okay, but if you go and buy one of my products, then you have to email me and I will send you the bonuses manually. Okay, so if you are confused at any point of time, you can always email me on this address. Okay, so if you're serious about making long-term income, just like I have shown you enough proofs, I have shown you all my platforms. Money keeps coming here, keeps coming there. I'm not showing you millions, but I'm showing you it works. Okay, so if you want to make it work, then YouTube is the free traffic source. If you don't want to spend money in bringing traffic, then you have to make videos. That's free traffic. Okay, so if you're interested in making money on YouTube, because YouTube gives you high quality traffic, if you consider yourself high quality, if you consider myself high quality, then we have to come on YouTube. Okay, so again, if you're serious about making money on the internet, then go and get started with this traffic Jarvis, the link below my video. And that's it. So if you want to speak to me, the consultation is right there. Thanks for watching so far. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna start the review now. Alright, humans, let's do this G-Spark AI review. So right now we are on the sales page. This is the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that, you'll need to click on the link below my YouTube video, which will be saying grab a G-Spark AI copy here. Click on that link and then come to the sales page. Okay, and then my bonuses are already linked to the sales page. If I show you, so you can see my bonus link is linked with this sales page. So if you go and grab the copy from my link, you will get the bonuses which we have discussed previously. So on the sales page, it shows you breaking: Google has unveiled Gemini Spark TM trademark. So this is the demo video here as well. I'll show you. And it says, give it a task, walk away, come back to see results, I guess. World's first Gemini Spark powered AI app that completes all your tasks 24/7. Run affiliate campaigns, find leads, create videos, images, emails, and blogs, automate your YouTube channel, research this and that. Okay. So by reading this, you would say all AI do the same thing. If I read this first time, I would say, so what is new? You can go to any AI, it will find leads for you, or it will create images for you, or it will create blogs for you, content for you. So what's new in this? Well, what's new in this is that it will work even if you shut down your computer. So this works on their cloud server. This is what they're, telling or claiming. So they say that even if you turn off your computer, this will work in the back end while you don't have to have your laptop on. For example, if I have to use ChatGPT and I have to ask something to ChatGPT or create some images or do this or do that, then I have to work on ChatGPT. My laptop has to be on. I have to keep talking to ChatGPT, tell what I need them to do. Okay, so in this case, this GSpark AI claims that you can give the command, tell the software what to do, turn off your laptop, and then come back maybe whenever you want, and then you will have the job done. So I guess that is what is that is what the difference between some other AI and GSpark AI here. Okay, so you will figure that out when you go and buy this. So you will find the demo video on the sales page. If you just keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, and it's like you have to go to 70%, I guess. So keep scrolling down 70% until you see this demo video somewhere here, right there. So I was right. Okay, you do have to scroll 70%, then you come and watch this demo video, but I'm showing you that demo video right now as well. So if I just maximize this for you and fast forward this, so where are we? Doesn't seem to be working. Let me just refresh this in a moment. Hang on, guys. Okay, so that's the demo video. And I have just turned off the sound actually. So sound is off.
AI tools give you answers. GSpark gives you Z.
And now we can see. Okay, so fast forward. Now this is the dashboard. Okay, and this is all about Google, products such as your Gmail, YouTube, Google Docs, and then these are those AI features. So when you go and watch this demo video on the sales page, they are telling you what they're doing here. Okay, I have muted the video on purpose, but go and watch the video on the sales page, and you will know what exactly they're talking about here, how to use the software. Okay, find local businesses leads, as you can see here, find 100 and dentist in Dallas, this and that. So these leads will come from Google My Business, obviously, because it's a Google product, right? And then on the left side, you can see here. So if I fast forward again, so again, the main difference which they have told us on the sales page is that this works even if you are not online or your laptop is off. Okay, so let's get to the bottom to see those question answers right there. So what exactly is GSpark AI? GSpark AI is the world's first Gemini Spark powered autonomous AI agent. You give it a task, walk away, and it keeps working on their dedicated cloud server. I told you this already. Managing your Gmail, doc sheets, YouTube, blog, drive, and more even after you close your laptop. I told you already. Does GSpark really work when my laptop is off? Yes, it works on the cloud server. We have discussed that. So, how is this GSpark different from a regular chat bot? We already told you. In ChatGPT, you only can work as long you are on your laptop. Okay, but this one is claiming that you give the command, walk away, and it will keep working in the backend. So, what is the lead finder feature? Is it unlimited? Well, obviously not, because they have some upgrades. If you want something unlimited, you have to upgrade. It's common sense. You don't get everything in $14. So let me give you a discount coupon. I forgot to give you a discount coupon, which is right here. Use this coupon GSpark2 to get $2 off. Okay, so use the coupon code, get your $2 discount, and I'm going to lose my money. So is the commercial license really included? Yes. Does GSpark read my emails without my permission? No. Even though this works autonomously in the background, it only acts under direction. It does not access or read emails. You have to believe them. Is this a monthly subscription? No. Can GSpark help manage my overflowing inbox? It can. What if it doesn't work for me? They have some money back guarantee. Do I need any tech skills? No. Will the price stay at this? No, this will not. How is GSpark different from ChatGPT? We have already discussed too many times that ChatGPT only works when you are working on ChatGPT. This will work, when you give the command that, okay, do this, do this, do this, and you just turn off your laptop and then come back after 10 hours, your work will be done. That's what their claim is, okay? So, all right, if you go and, if you want to go and grab this GSpark AI copy, you will find the link below my video. And let me talk about the OTOs as well here. So, where are the OTOs? Somewhere here. Front end we have discussed. I have given you the coupon as well. OTO one is this. Now they have not explained what exactly these OTOs are. So when you go to their sales pages, you will find the more details about the upgrades. You can upgrade to unlimited or these features if you want to. Otherwise, you can pick and choose. Okay. So I guess thanks for watching so far. Go and buy from a link and you get your bonuses as well. Or even if you don't want to buy this product, you can still buy this because you want my bonuses. Okay. Or you can buy my Warrior Plus products as well, as you can see. So if you like my hard work, subscribe, like and share, and go buy something from me. Okay. Till then, take care. Have a good day.